Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is our three-phase system. We're going to start out with a phase one with our pre-vacuum using our Kirby vacuum cleaner. I just installed a new bag in there. However, for the soil suspension process, we're going to be using our 175 here to both apply and scrub in the cleaning solution into the carpeting. It gives a real good scrub, and as you'll notice when we go inside, there's pretty much Berber carpet throughout the entire house. So that is one reason why I go with this method. The other is that it's a little less time consuming because you have, instead of using a sprayer or pulling out a CRB or something like that, you have both mechanisms right there. I guess Berber is a good candidate for like an OP machine or something like that. However, we are not doing an OP machine. Never have, probably never will. I prefer the agitation and then to go back with a steam out. So, Roger Lloyd's scrub and steam. We are doing a scrub and steam, but we're also doing a very thorough vacuum as well.